In today's video, I will show you how to add your products to your Shopify store. Welcome to the tutorial. If you're new to Shopify and have just signed up, then this is the tutorial for you. I will be guiding you step by step for your first product setup. Hey everyone, my name is Oren and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning more about online businesses, mindset, and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. In case you haven't signed up with Shopify yet, I'll leave the free trial and best current link for you in my description box below. You can go ahead and sign up with that.
So on our dashboard, we will click products and then you will find option between find products to sell, import products, or add your products. Now, if you're doing drop shipping, then you can simply link your products with your supplier's page. Now we are going to check the find products to sell option. And as you can see here, we have a couple of apps that Shopify recommends from their app store. So we have Printify, Printful if you're doing print on demand. They also have AliExpress here. So this is how you can link or find products through the Shopify app store if you want to do something like this. For our store, we are going to add the products manually. So click on add products and now we are going to fill out all this information. First, we're going to set a product title and this is what I'm going for this example. Now for your description, you want to highlight the benefits, unique selling points, and of course product features. You can take your time and write it yourself, or you can use this purple button to use the AI generator of Shopify and you can use something like this. Make sure to read it and make sure that it describes your product, but I'm just adding whatever is here. Next, we're going to go in the media section and then add our product images. So we'll select all the images together, and then once they're here, we can move them around and select and place whichever one we want to be the main one. Always remember to have high quality product photos. It's essential to attract your customers. Now let's add the product price. For example, my product costs 75 dirhams. I'm doing in dirhams because my store is in UAE. So now this is the compare price box. So you can leave this blank or you can put a price to compare, and if you use this box, then there'd be a strikeout to show how much discount your customers are getting. You can also add cost per item. This is to manage your profit margins and it will not be displayed in your store. Next, we have the inventory, and now we are going to add how many products we have available in our store. I just added 100. You will add as per your stock's availability. If this number goes down to 0, then your products will appear as sold out on your website. If you want to override this setting, you can click this box right here. The product will keep selling even if it goes down to 0. If you're doing drop shipping, then this will get synced with your supplier's platform and you don't have to worry about these settings. Product SKU or barcode, if you have any, you can click this box. Next, we have the shipping weight. So if you want to charge your customers as per the shipping weight, then you can add that here. Then these are some customs information if you want to add the country, and then the HS code. HS code, if you need, you can ask your supplier. Now moving on to the variants, here you'll be adding options like colors, sizes, etc. So for example, you're selling mobile phone cases, so you'll have variant of colors. To add a variant, simply click here and then choose which kind of variant you'll be using. So I'm going to create colors and then I'm going to create option values. So let's say we have options for pink and then next we have for white. Also, when you're typing out one of these options, the next empty box will appear by itself. Okay, now let's click done and then we'll have the variants with the prices. Now here you can edit out all the prices for each variant. You'll also be able to add the availability of each colors. Now if we click all and select all and then click action and edit prices, then we can edit the prices all at one time together if all the prices are same, or we could also individually change these prices inside of this box. Now let's do another example. For example, you are selling t-shirts and so you might have variants of sizes and colors. So for option names, we will click on size, and then for option values, we will do small, medium, and large. And then we will click done, and all the pricing and the variations are already here. But before changing them, we will go ahead and save this. So let's click on save, and now we will scroll down, and now you can see that you will be able to add images to each of these variations. So now we will do that. We will click here and then this box will open up from where you will be able to add your pictures. And of course, we are not building a t-shirt store, we are building a kitchenware store, but we will be using these pictures as examples. So now I have added 2 pictures. In the same way, we can go and add all of the pictures, and then we can also edit it out all of these pricing and availability. So over here we will put how many we have of each. Then we have our search engine listing settings. So let's click edit, and then here you'll be editing how your page will be viewed on platforms like Google. So let's add a title, and then we will add the description, we will add our brand name, and then we'll also add some keywords. You can also add in some discount informations if you like. This is good enough for now because we will be adding our SEO properly at a later stage. All right, that looks good. Now we will scroll right back up and we will make the status active. All right, next we will scroll down and click manage sales channels, and then we have to make sure that the online store is selected. Let's also have a look at manage markets. So here are the international markets and the countries within that, and also the primary market where I am based. Now we are going to hit save. All right, that looks good. Now let's hit back, and now we have our first product listed. We have 300 in stock and 9 variants, and it's active. All right, now we are going to go and add our second product. So we are going to do the exact same steps of adding pictures, our variants and everything. All right, let's hit save, and this is how you can make your international market active. Click view market from here, and then you can make it active right over here. All right, let's go back. I have also added one more product just now, and so now we have 3 of our products already added, and now we're going to repeat the same exact steps and add all of our products.
And that is how you create your first product on Shopify. If you want to watch more Shopify and Shopify setup videos, I will leave some helpful links of Shopify videos in my description box below for you to get started with your Shopify journey. If this tutorial was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.